Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Anyone who came here for professional hairstyling advice, you have come to the wrong channel. My name is X, and we're going to do it my way, okay? Long story short, I had got this wig. I got this wig off of Amazon. I got this cute little synthetic girl, and she is and isn't what I expected at the same time. I'm gonna go over what I like and what I don't like right now, real quick. So this is her. She looks a little. She's okay though. I mean, I can like still run my fingers through for the most part. I'm just gonna keep running my fingers through. So this is the length that we're working with. Yes, very much that. I'm just gonna move some of this hair out the way. All over the place. But yeah, so the wig, she's nice. I had tried her on. Just make sure it fits around my head, or else I would just send it back because I got a big noggin. I don't know if you guys can tell this one was fat. So I tried her on. I'm cool with her for the most part. I'm thinking of like when I put her on, I might throw some like curls in there because she's giving limp, not a lot of body. I'm actually gonna use some hair oil. It says Wild Growth. I'm far from bald headed, you know what I'm saying? Don't play with me. But not y'all acting up. But we're just gonna feed that in between my braids because, baby, we want inches. I want my hair touching my booty. I don't want to have to buy weave ever again. You feel me? Like, I want people to be trying to buy weave off of me. You heard? These come with the wigs. Now, as you guys can tell, I'm not the same color as this cap. We have ways to get around this, but you're gonna probably want, like, if you're actually doing it like yourself, like, you can always work with this, like, it's whatever. But when you're like more new, or say like if you don't have the facilities, you want to get one like closer to your shade. Like, I feel like even with like deeper shades of skin colors, you're definitely gonna need makeup or something to cover it because you want the lace to give scalp. You understand what I'm saying? Scalp. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna start on this. What's nice is that this comes with two. Like, I'm pulling off one right now. You can also use like stockings, like leggings. Not leggings, but like stockings, like tights. Because, they, just tie off the top of it and put the rest around your head. Me personally, it's snippity diggity dog. That's like, they're going to think I'm Snoop Dogg if that's the case. So, we're going to put this around my melon. Okay. So what's going to happen is, this is not getting glued down because I in real life just don't care. What size is this? Small? Oh, look at this. Oh my god. I'm just gonna tuck that all the way back in there. Yeah. I'm digging it. So where you going? Okay. So I have now officially fit this around my big ass melon. Okay. I'm just gonna act like that fits perfectly. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so as you guys know, my favorite girl here, yes, Queen Riri. We're gonna be putting her around this area because let me try this one more time because me and this thing will fight. Ugh. Okay. Like part of me is telling me to do it the right way, but I don't want to do it the right way. Like I just want to do it my way. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm gonna bibbity bobbity boo do 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 do. Put it just along this little band line. You know what I'm saying? Because we can't have it looking this light. Like you can already tell. Look at this. This look like scalp to you? Does this look like my scalp to you? Please. Please, 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 please. I think I'm applying too much pressure. Ugh. There we go. Okay, I'm just. Okay. Like right there. It's like perfect, honestly. Okay. Now the same thing that you do to cap, you must also do to wig. You know what I'm saying? So what I was upset about, I forgot. What I was upset about was that when I got the wig, in real life, I thought it was gonna be like, cause you see the lace go like all the way across, right? I paid for a lace like front, and like this thing got like a little, just like a middle part. You understand what I'm saying? Like I wanted to be able to like freestyle part my hair, but I didn't do my due diligence, so this is what I get. And I'm not gonna lie, I was thirsty for this hair to come. Like, you think I'm gonna send it back just because I made a simple little mistake? Like it's still gonna get slayed. Like I'm still gonna look cute with a little middle part. I prefer the middle part anyway. But yeah, like I said, the same thing that you do to the cat, you must do to the lace. So we just gonna tap tap tap, brush brush brush, brush brush brush, brush brush brush, brushing everywhere. It just needs a little shaping, you know? You know? He look like he watching that dragon thing.
This is the first one. I'm not watching it right now.
What first one?
Just the regular
Yo, you watching Game of Thrones?
Yeah.
He watching Game of Thrones. He not watching the dragon thing.
Fuck you for real.
No, let me chill out. Oh, okay, yeah. Heck yeah! Oh man, look, affiliate is right around the corner for me, and I needed to not be around the corner no more. They keep playing peekaboo with me, and I don't want to play no more. I want to get married. I want us to be together. We together.
We go together now? Real bad.
Whew. Having a big head is never easy. Okay. Okay, like I said, y'all, like we discussed, I'm gonna be curling this girl. I have to figure out like how high I can go before I can do anything about that. But for now, I'm gonna get some of these flyaways out the way. You got a problem with it? Like, baby, I already said what it was. Like, I'm not the best. And you know what? I ain't never been scared. That's one thing about me. I ain't never been scared. I mean, unless y'all see me play some horror games, then I'm scared. But y'all saying I ain't been scared. Okay. Okay, okay. Let me just, yeah, do one of those. Ugh. So I don't have like my own like big shears, so these are my husband's little beard shears. I mean the shears are little, his beard not little. Here she is, right here. Again, this is my wig grip spray. So one thing about this that I really love is that if I do put this on and it does get on my edges, I'm not too worried about it. It's not like it's like a glue agent. Like it's easier to take off and I'm not worried about it ripping out my edges. Cause baby, who ain't got no edges?
Period. Period. Period.
Amy is it grip the wig. And that's what we need. It's better if you want to take your wig off at night, which I'm going to do. Actually, I don't know if I'm taking it off tonight. But it's good for more so like a temporary hold, like if you want it just for like a couple days. And the glue is like if you want to keep it on, which I'm not trying to do. It'll still be pretty good. If anything, I'll have to like maintain it because it's more of like a holding spray than anything. Like it can be easily sweated out. Like if I get hot, then I'm gonna sweat it like right off. Whereas like glue, I kind of have like the same experience with glue like myself. Because I do sweat like a lot around this area, around my forehead and stuff, and it causes the glue to kind of dissipate a little bit, but it only makes it shift. So that's where like you get people who run into the issues of like now they have glue on their hair, on their edges, and it's pulling it out. And for me personally, I don't trust myself with having that in my arsenal, like for doing my hair. I don't trust putting like glue in my hair because I feel like I'm the type of people that like lose my edges. So I don't. Okay, so I gotta like cut up my lace. Cut up the lace. Y'all see how you see what I was talking about? How it's stuck to my forehead. That's what you want. And then like you see how my eyebrows is. When it's not giving scalp, guys, like don't panic. Like just don't. Just spray over it. Just spray over it. Oop, I dropped my thing. Okay, spray that. That's gonna have to do on that side. It's gonna have to do it. It's gonna come back down. That might work. Oh, there. Bless you. Oh, you like it?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. I can do this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
They'll never know what I'm talking about. But you will.
Okay, because this is the middle that we're working with right now. Okay. Excuse me. This is the middle that we're working with right now, and then we have after I cut the lace, before I cut the lace, and baby, who's not giving scalp right now? Not motherfucking me. I'm giving. I'm giving, living, something else. Let me open my computer back up because I feel just completely out of the loop. And I don't like that. Didn't like it. Let me turn this up. It's a little bright. We're not gonna worry about it. Babe. Baby. Can you do me a favor?
Mm.
Give me some tissue. I feel like I got to be on my nose. To heck, do any celebrity hair. I would love to be a celebrity hairstylist. Like, I need the skills first of all, but I would love to do something like that.
And you say
I wish I had energy to like pluck my lace right now. I really don't.
I don't think I can.
I'm not gonna do too much. Okay, so the little ones that I do have, I'm just gonna snip. So after I'm done with this, guys, like, are you guys down for Rec Room? Cause I'm gonna be on there, and I would love for you guys to see the games that I picked out to act a fool on. Honestly.
You want to discuss this amongst yourselves?
You are staying. All my allies are gone.
Oh, I forgot. I didn't say what this is. So I just have some moves. I feel like
Who won't be able to eat because Cersei is taking
anyone should really know what moose is. I mean, I don't know. Probably anyone. I don't know. comb your hair out, starting from the bottom, working your way up. That's the best way to eliminate knotting. I'm gonna do what I want though. I'm gonna do what I want. Cause I'll see that it's starting to knot, but I just go right through it. Like it's nothing, like it's butter. Like it's butter. Okay. Yeah, you can always like look up like if you aren't one of those people that can like do your whole wig from scratch, which I am not. I'm not, by the way. Like I can't do like my own like plucking. I mean I can, but like I don't want to. Like you know what I'm saying? Like there's actually wigs where you can like search up and be like, hey, like I want it pre-plucked, and they'll have those results for you. Yeah, it's like it's really not too bad. The plucking, that stuff like takes time, such as everything else when you're learning something new. I have like little scragglers hanging around. But whenever you learn something new, like just take your time, do like the easy stuff first. Like I think like the worst thing that I did when I was new to doing wigs, I had got myself a full lace wig. Okay. Basically the whole wig was like this material, and I thought like, oh my god, it's gonna be so cute, right? Absolutely freaking wrong, because like I didn't know how to take care of it. I didn't know how to maintain it. I could only do it in the front, and like basically like since it's a full lace, it's almost like a 360, and 360 laces are hard as well, because that you also like tack down in the back, so like it's one of those like hairs that you can like pull up into a ponytail. And what I hated about it was that like I didn't know how to do it for real, and so like whenever I'm just trying to like maintain my hair, like at some point it just ended up looking like thin and like bald because it's like lace all over. Like there's no like wefts holding on to it. Like it just like if you're too rough with it, it just comes out. So this is she. She is giving. Let me see. She's giving body yada 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 right now.
Return to your service.
Skinny body, but body nonetheless. It is so much easier, like when you get a little like practice, because I've been, I guess, learning how to do it for. I haven't been like actively learning though, if that makes sense. Like I've done it on myself a few times, but like my stylist is very helpful. Like if you have somebody who like can very much teach you how to do this, like it's actually like it's that easy. Like you just need patience, which is like the hardest part if you're not a patient person like me. Thank you. The baby here. So now we're gonna work on getting some of the shine out. Which is actually very, very easy. Like, all you're doing is, I mean, for me, all I'm doing is putting baby powder in it because I'm not too worried about, I'm not gonna say I'm not too worried about how it looks, but like, I'm not too worried about spending my money on something that like does the same thing.
Shut the hell up, bitch. Go.